Today, it's all about the beauty of steam and how steam can revolutionize all your baking. Starting with a classic banana bread. I've been mashing those bananas and now let's turn the oven on. I want fan forced and steam. So let's set the temperature for 180 and the steam at 30%. This is one of those cakes where you dump all the ingredients in a bowl, pop them onto a tin, and the steam will magically create this incredible texture. And don't worry about a slightly lumpy texture. A bit of lumpiness creates the most delicious crumb. And that crumb is gonna be made even more delicious because of the steam, which will cook it to perfection. It'll stay beautiful and soft, but you'll get that beautiful, beautiful brown, crunchy top. And let's get some actual bananas and pop them on top like that. And then we're gonna top it with all these beautiful crunchy seeds and nuts. There we go, and we're ready for the oven. 30-35 minutes, steamed, baked to perfection. And it's ready. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks sensational. We're gonna have to let it cool before we slice into it. And it's finally time to slice. And I can tell you, the knife goes through like this is made of butter. And as promised, the crumb is super tender. And that is the beauty of steam. Check smegcucina.com.au for more delicious recipes.